In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Steam app configuration unavailable error. This issue usually shows up when Steam can't read or update a game's configuration data, and the fix is often a combination of refreshing Steam's cache, rebuilding a small database file, and confirming your game files are intact. I'll walk you through each action clearly so you can follow along and get back to playing. Start by making sure Steam is fully closed. Look at your system tray near the clock, find the Steam icon, right-click it, and choose Exit or Close. This step ensures Steam isn't running in the background and holding on to files we're about to refresh. Now, we'll remove a potentially corrupted file that Steam will safely recreate. Open your Steam installation folder, then go into App Cache. On most systems, that path is C, Program Files x86 Steam App Cache. Inside, delete the file named appinfo.vdf. This file stores metadata about your installed games and can get corrupted over time. Deleting it forces Steam to rebuild a clean version the next time it starts. Go ahead and launch Steam again. Once it opens, head to Settings, then Downloads. Click Clear Download Cache and confirm. Steam will restart and log you out, which is normal. Sign back in afterward. Clearing the download cache wipes out stale or mismatched data that can contribute to the configuration error. While you're still in Settings under Downloads, change your download region to another nearby location. This refreshes your connection to Steam's content servers and can help if the issue is tied to a regional server hiccup. It won't affect your account or purchases, and you can always switch it back later. Next, verify the integrity of the game that's giving you trouble. In your library, right-click the problematic game, select Properties, then go to the Installed Files tab. Click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will compare your local files to the latest versions on its servers and repair anything missing or corrupted. This can take a little time depending on the game size, so let it run to completion. Finally, restart Steam one more time and launch the game to check if the error is resolved. By closing Steam fully, rebuilding app info, clearing the download cache, switching regions, and verifying files, you've refreshed every common point of failure behind this message. If everything loads without that error, you're all set. Thanks for watching.